guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a Japanese shop stand in Heartopia. So add some half walls here. You're going to do 3 here, and then 1 and 1, and then we are going to add a low wall over here. Then what we're going to want to do is we're going to add some floorings here. Don't worry about that later. We are going to change the color of everything later on. Then we're also just going to add more half walls around like so. And we're going to add low walls to all of it except for the back, like that. Then we're going to remove the half wall here. I'm also going to add a low wall here at the end. Alright, then we're going to add some floorings on the top for the roof. We're going to add 3 here and 3 here as well. And then we are also going to add a roof. You can use any of the roofs that you prefer. I think I'm going to use either this one or this one. Let's just do this one. And we are going to make it super small, like this size, and then this height, like so. Okay. And then we are also going to add some wooden wall storage here, like that, all around. Then on this side too. And then on this side. And then here and then here. Leave this empty for the stove. And then we are going to get the European wall sculpture and we're going to use that for the handle. So add that on both sides like this. And then, oh, okay. I am going to add wheels. We are going to use the, hold on, okay. Go to wall decor and use like these for the wheels, sorry. I'm going to make my stall pink, I think, so I'm just going to use this one. But you can choose any that you'd like. I'm going to place 2 here. And I'm also going to add the joinery table on top here, as well as a joinery tea table down here. And I'm also going to add some stools. You can use any stools you want. I'm just going to use the oceanic bar stool here and here. And also place your stove here. Oops, not this one, sorry. This one. And I'm just going to decorate a little bit and I'll be with you guys in a minute. And here is the finished result. You can obviously add more like decorations to your liking. But yeah, it looks very cute, like a strawberry stall or whatever. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!